What's up, Borekat? It's me, your uncle Dong Sige again. So tonight, karon magdula tag MM2 1v1 edition with my followers, my friend and my friend. Go, Dai. Wait lang, Dai. Wait lang, Dai. Yes! Da. Gok-gokon be, gok. Ay dili, wait lang, gok. Wait lang. Gok. So akong gigamit nga avatar is Dora kay follower ko ni Upaw. Big fan ko ni Upaw. Yes, Upaw, shout out sa iyo Upaw. Upaw, I'm your biggest fan. Ay, alo. Adayaan. Huy day, an lagi ka day, di makapaygo day. Ah, da. Na imong bukog da. Wait lang day. Wait lang, mag-jumper sa ta. Hapit siya day. Type sa day. Day, ayaw pagana day. Day. Uy! Ay, dayaan. Ah, wala, dayaan to. Gitudluan niya iyang knife nga iguon ko. Uy! Hapit. Wait lang, Juday, wait lang. Gumawas ka dyan. Uy! Day, gawas, day, ayaw pag ana, day, dayaan man ka, day. Ah! Hapit. Ay, hapit, day, ayaw pag ana, day. Huwag kang mag-ganyan, day. Oh my god, I'm such a pro. Yes, ala, naigo naman siya. Uy, naigo na ka, day. Naigo na to, day. Ala! Dayaan. Oh my god, yay. Wala, nagtuwad siya. Wala, day. Di na pwede, day. Yes, ayaw pag anak, day. Tago gads ni, day. Pilit man lagi ko sa pader, day. Face the wall. You face the wall. Pero man kay face. Front the door. Front the wall.